Come over. To visit someone's place. My friend came over last night. Why don't you come over this weekend? Own up. To admit your mistake. He owned up to breaking the vase. You should own up when you're wrong. Kick out. To force someone to leave. They kicked him out of the class. He was kicked out for being rude. Put aside. To save or ignore for later. I put some money aside for the trip. Let's put our differences aside. Rip off. To cheat someone by overcharging. That shop ripped me off. Tourists often get ripped off. Bump into. To meet someone by chance. I bumped into my teacher at the mall. She bumped into her old friend yesterday. Go after. To chase or try to get something. He went after his dream job. The police went after the thief. Keep away. To stay at a distance. Keep away from the fire. She kept away from negative people. Look down on. To think someone is inferior. Don't look down on others. He looks down on poor people. Read over. To read carefully. Read over your answers before submitting. I'll read over the contract tonight. Stand out. To be noticeable or different. Her bright dress made her stand out. He stands out in a crowd. Beat up. To hit someone badly. The gang beat him up badly. He was beaten up for stealing. Burn down. To destroy by fire. The factory burned down last night. They accidentally burned down the shed. Dry off. To become or make dry. He dried off after the swim. Let the dishes dry off. Pay back. To return borrowed money. I'll pay you back next week. She paid back every penny. Drop out. To leave school or a course. He dropped out of college. Many students drop out due to financial issues. Break out. To suddenly begin/escape. A fire broke out in the kitchen. The prisoner broke out of jail. Put down. To place something/insult someone. Please put down your bag. She always puts others down. Look out. Be careful. Look out. There's a car coming. You should look out for pickpockets. Run over. Hit by a vehicle. He was run over by a car. The truck ran over the dog. Hang up. Meaning, end of phone call. She hung up the phone angrily. Don't hang up on me. Turn down. To reject/reduce volume. He turned down the job offer. Please turn down the TV. Step up. To take action. It's time to step up and lead. She stepped up to help her friend. Bring down. To reduce/to defeat. We need to bring down prices. The scandal brought down the government. Go back. To return. I have to go back home now. Let's go back to the topic. Pass away. To die. Her grandmother passed away peacefully. He passed away last night. Stand up for. Defend someone or something. Always stand up for what's right. She stood up for her brother. Come up with. To think of an idea. She came up with a great plan. Can you come up with a solution? Let down. Disappoint someone. Don't let your parents down. He let me down in the final match. Zip up. To close a zipper. Zip up your jacket, it's cold. He forgot to zip up his bag. Throw up. To vomit. He felt sick and threw up. The baby threw up on the sofa. Put out. To extinguish. The fireman put out the fire. Please put out your cigarette. Eat out. To eat at a restaurant. We usually eat out on Sundays. Let's eat out tonight. Hold back. To stop or control. She held back her tears. Don't hold back your talent. Wrap up. To finish/to cover. Let's wrap up the meeting. Wrap up the gift nicely. Try on. To test clothing. She tried on a red dress. Try on these shoes.